guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Today, a lot of you are crying. Easy to the fly for WhatsApp. Easy to the fly for WhatsApp. The same girl with our 4 friends who come on live stream to this Gwangwa, our own colleague at work. The same lady that come on live stream when they talk about Ebony Toto. Our people, you guys are so wicked. I'm not defending Ebony. I am not defending Ebony at all. Because you see, for this social media, all say back boya one after the other. Everybody go collect. If you fuck up, you go collect. Nice social media be. Social media has no friend. I'm telling you guys. Social media has no friend. If you fuck up, you go collect. Now so social media be. Friend not there. When I see people where they do friend for social media, I just look at them and laugh. You know why? The same people when you call your friends are the one that are going to beat you when you are in deep mess. People are supposed to speak, who are supposed to stand for you. Now they can't even beat you based on now they know you. People will not even know you now go fight for you. You see the same girl, the same girl. Now I call live video. They talk, say, Ebony. They this guaguara for back of speaker. The same girl with her friends, when call live video, they talk, so Ebony water na Ebony Toto na water. Now that the same girl now. Now they cry, say why people they talk about it Toto. That the same girl now they talk, say, why are you not standing for your own fellow woman? Is she not a woman? Is Ebony not a woman? Why will she ask that? Who gave her that right to come on live screen to talk about your own fellow woman? The same girl where say Ebony don't fuck this, he don't fuck that. My sister, we no carry big again, and no in a different country, ne? We get no rain Nigeria, no try, no survive. We are mommy. Who we give? Who we give? We no carry le ravi rini. We get no rain Nigeria, no rain street. Who we is Osawa nega mameno. Who we give? We no le ravi rini. But I mean, one if the way like a matter. Because say this person now there on the side of the person who not like. Una go they cover the truth. You guys are crying now. Say Atoto they follow WhatsApp. If they follow everywhere they go. Just be thankful. Be thankful to God that on Facebook you cannot just post anyhow. The thief for don't rap pad. A lot of people for don't know say not true people they talk say not be lie. All rap pad in every social media. Then you learn your lesson. Not to bring your fellow human being down, no matter the situation. Because some of you, because you guys are sadists, because you guys are not happy with yourself, you want to drag other people along. It don't work like that. It don't work like that. That is why I said I don't feel pity for you. When Tiwa Savage, oh, come out. We all stood for Tiwa Savage, you know why? Because she has never bring anybody down. Tiwa Savage never come social media, come to us and I saw her colleague Toto be, and I saw her colleague Toto not be. That is why everybody stood for her. You cannot come and destroy your own fellow woman, and when you hold the apple, you want people to stand for you. I eat the apple for this life. Me don't understand. How many Ebony you were here? Ebony not be human being. He get what she do now. It's easy. I be Lizzy. Is she better than Ebony? Is she better than Ebony? I'm asking you guys. No, she is not better. I'm making Nana Gui. They are all working together. If they have problem, okay, asebani, or when I dolo, but when I hear yo, everybody go get this breakfast. Enjoy your own. Why is on board now? Any day when you still fly enter Facebook, my sister Frylish, you are free to carry it along. Because there is nothing that will enter Facebook that nobody will not carry. Even go rich people will be say they claim say they like you. Don't be surprised. You see, they will go to people inbox. They will start asking them, can I see the picture? Please, can you share it for me? Let me tell you, in this life where we did, so never you throw finger at somebody, because the finger you throw one, the four they come back to you. 4, my darling sister, you should be concerned about your health issue. I said it before. People they talk say, why are you mocking her with sickness? I know they mock you. I can never mock you. I'm not God. I will never mock you with your illness. I will never mock you with your condition. I will never mock you with your sickness. But be careful. Go and take care of yourself. Kidney problem not be my live saga. Saga is not for you. No do devil that way live video be dokba. No do devil that way live video be dokba. A kidney problem na you know ta mama. No when I read we box say when I anything we ya go. Where there you my kidney problem in Nigeria. What be you know it wo. Wo kama o se we me kidney problem na do ya agie. That is what you said on your live video. No be my sickness. My darling sister, go and take care of yourself and leave saga. Leave saga. You say you are a celebrity. Well, what do you get social media? Well, what do you get presenter? Presenter, where you a celebrity. You say you are a celebrity. You say you came out to fight for your people. People who they fight for. I've never seen them on live screen when they can't do video. My darling sister, go and take care of yourself. Because when people go talk and now say, my dear, you are sick now, go take it. They'll say, why are you mocking her? This is social media that people will bully you with whatsoever you have. In this social media, we are not warming. I am any girl. Everywhere you went on who never not be safe. I got me a I did no time away. This is social media for that is what they call saga. Saga not be you they crazy, you they mad though. Saga now waiting day your body, they go tell you what they that will go out you. Now they call saga. Not be you they crazy, you they mad. So when you see people telling people say, come on there, you wear this one day body. Now the saga where they talk now be that one. That is what they are calling saga. You cannot disgrace your own fellow human being. Say that they fuck up for back of speaker is celebrity. When you all come they fly, now you they fight people who won't fight for you. Here, Wahala, you might still come out tomorrow to insult yourself. We are used to it. The reason why I did this video for you is to correct all those people when they drop bad comments for people post say, oh, I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you. You are a woman. You should support woman. My dear, I dey support people who never bully people before. I do not support someone who have dragged down our own fellow human being before. I don't support people who don't come live screen cause their own fellow girl. Get your own Edo sister. Because I say she dey progress. Because she belong to the big girl class. Because I say God don't they do not want to see a koto. My dear sister, we all salo boy. We all salo boy metamu we. You not be God though. You are not God. If God bless a man, if God blesses you, nobody can drag you down. You are not God. That's the way we not do when people they look say, oh, it was a saga. That's the way we not do ebony at that time. Oh, why is your being when I do you know what it means to suspend you in a place where you are getting your money? It's just like a friend who go tell them for your working place, say you steal from your working place, they can't sack you. That's what it be. Eru wate we get any. They take any amagi accept a east the kinojena na why you argue? Why you argue? Why want to come out go magi at why argue? But you don't drag person go back with that one. If na head bone na toto na dey fly for WhatsApp. If na head bone toto dey fly for WhatsApp, wow, give me na be guess na do ya salukpo giere chigomi be live video. Wow, na wicked. They to head bone yo WhatsApp make have a WhatsApp nana. Wow, give me na be guess na. All those people they talk say why you not studying for women? They will not be bold to come to you guys. They will not be bold to come to you guys and tell you guys the truth. Because you know why? They are used to supporting the evil way. They are used to supporting the bad people. They are used to that. It's their hobby. They want to put more fire so that the fire go to blow. You go to blow. They uwe boni on la diaveniana. You for the years and I talk her. You for the years I talk her say she be a shower. I talk her say she dey share to they go for different men. I talk her say she they do this one. I am your man sugar daddy. All of you celebrity from the Benin go reach the English. All of you na sugar daddy una they meet up. Film no they give una money. All of una. All of una. Na sugar daddy all of una. Boyfriend de rewaya lele. Ana gele we na gele do a tavin in any story do ya la divete borima. My dear, although you na me weti ma mwe. Mi ma gboto. Then man na English people they do and too. Mona pack mona het house. Mona leave people where God they bless. However, how they showcase it is their business. However, how they showcase it is their business. You they hear me? Allow people to live their life as they want to live it. Do not be a distance on somebody's flesh. It's bad. Look at your own today. See how bushy is your pussy. See how bushy your total be. Who give me time he has way by me social media by me winere? Who give me time he has the two way? Oh, for that matter. Who give me time he has the two way? But be ya eti agba kon ye vani e isa lo boa agba kon yo agba kon yo yi. My sister, if my own Toto land Facebook, share. Anytime when you see my own, anytime when you see my own, my darling, share. We all do things for love. I understand you. You didn't post that video or that picture. You did not post the picture because of hate. You post it for love. You post it for likeness. You send that for the guy. For likeness sake, I understand perfectly. I'm not judging you. Really. I am not judging you for sending that photo to the boy. I am really not judging you. But one thing I will not accept when people will say is that don't mock her. Don't talk about it. You are a fellow woman. You are a woman like her. The same person when don't bully somebody else. The same person where don't describe a fellow woman Toto. The same woman where they talk say fellow girl na shower. The same girl where say a fellow girl say na back of speaker. Now those musicians they guan. Now what? Emana gbon wa vi afeku. Here ya we magbona. Anything you do will come back to you, my darling. If you do evil, it's coming back. This is social media. Welcome. Do you know the reason why a lot of us, people like us, step back? We take a step back. Do you know why we take a step back? Not because they will not get mad to talk. We are here paracetamol after live video. Maybe I here after live video. How you know go. But somehow, you got to respect yourself. You have to respect your family. This is why some people step back. Because when you look at people who don't really soak themselves for this social media, again, raw. Or when man social media, we are my and it's the truth. Forget the lie where they lie for una say they carry money from media. We know they carry money from media. Forget the lie where they lie for una. You understand? So Mona they use una head. Mona know they because people they talk say go raw e didn't pay money, they ma pay money. Why are let the wado lao? Ego na make in peace. Am I you? Am I way na what ye born weba? Am I when I'm webog? Am I when I disgrace weba? My people, Mona they use una head. You understand? Mona they use una head. I'm not supporting any of you. I'm not afraid to anybody. I am not supporting Ebony or neither am I supporting you, Shati. Get in again, okay? Yeah. Glasses. I'm not supporting any of you. Eh? But emine mama, emine wawe genie, o gele dame, because o managbon, oviedo, mayakin. Oviedo, no me fuck up wuwa, error. Imagine again, on rewebo, no egg bashawo no raw, egg be manoma gbe, veni meji me yeta. Imame blame man no be boy so go maybe an opportunity ni. That is life. So I'm not condemning it. Everybody have his own reason to make and go street work. Again, no bashawo lele ravi rine. Where do I tell bonnet baby in Nigeria where you where they fuck for back of speaker? Where did they fuck you where you they make money? You where they make money that time for streets. Now hotel that they fuck you. I've been for outside. Where did they do vaga you? Why you nuri wa? You cannot use your mouth to destroy people and you expect your own life go better for you. And you want people to paint you and see you responsible on media when you they destroy your own fellow human being. Emma is evil. Agata wa wariye. Oh man, you know what? That's I don't understand how people how they behave. I'm not supporting nobody. Anybody will fuck up go collect woto. Everybody go just fuck up tomorrow. Oh wa very I wa be janela na make am we dey. Not be so. If everybody do something wrong, there are ways to correct her. You don't go and temper with people's job. You don't go and temper where people are getting their money to live. You don't temper with such things. You guys are evil. You wanted to bring that girl down, but God can't show una say, na me be God. Mo ge adiagbon. Wow, salo boye. One door close, another door open for her. Eri agboje. Erio. Okay, only say boni. Or wa fly lele WhatsApp here sis. No the ade, my guy. Oh, Maisha. I be guess na ya ilu e boni Iya ga ilu e boni ya di pogo ya di kwayoyo. Iya ga ilu e boni le na. Iya ga igiyo e. Master, ya gba ogegbe. Kidney problem. Not be my sickness. Go and take care of yourself and leave Facebook alone. Go and take care of yourself. Stop being a hater for no reason. I'm telling you. Go and take care of yourself. Stop hating on people that don't hate you. I make an gui. Why get any gui? All of them are going our separate ways. Yeah, why make an gui? Nana settle. Go and take care of yourself. No do day. Yeah, if your Facebook is this we they talk about kidney and it now those ones that make you they live, that make you there. See, may you not go for one day. Now RIP go end. I'm not wishing you wife with you, but I'm just giving you a friendly and a sisterly advice. I am just telling you the truth. People with that kind of health issue, people with that kind of a sickness, they don't do things that you are doing. I want to be known. I want to be known. Be known in a good ways, not in a bad one. There are two fame in life. There is a bad fame and there are good fame. I want my suki very white away ni kere ni or one man osalobo bless you anything really out. That way they can't know you. Everybody know you. They call it say poor our woman and la me poor wagbon again poor man no guna manana no na mewe okay na kakwe or wuve na wuwakwe emi va ma jibe that we agbona. Which one you want me to know you put? As you never really soak yourself for social media now, take a step back and go and take care of yourself. Go and take care of yourself. Those a lot of them that is known on social media, you don't build us for them. If you even build us for them, when you die, that house is not going with you. If you die, the house is not going with you. Look at everybody now. We be saying they are just fighting for view. This is why anything will come your way, accept it. You see, like these people used to watch me, so I love and respect you guys. These are the real people on social media that want to learn, that want to listen. Can an saga, everybody no love woman, or can a view je. Uga balegbe view nagbe. You will end up disgracing yourself. That video is coming. If you don't see any man I take video ni, because we are going to have social media, they will take it personal. You understand? They will take it personal. Who take a view now? Una kiri view nagbe. If you defend this view, do or that, you will end up disgracing yourself in a bad way. You will end up disgracing yourself in a bad way. Say, make una dey careful. Make una dey careful. A little you got from social media is okay. Don't die. Don't make it do or die. After all, there are a lot of celebrity. Why you wait there for social media? Go dey say, if you don't get 1,000 views, you don't get 2,000 views, so you never get view. People are coming across your video after you drop this live. They will still watch it. It's not everybody that like to watch people when they are on live. So people just want to watch it after you finish. You understand? Not be everybody get patient to sit down, they listen to what you they talk. Take it easy. Take it easy. May you not come end up disgracing yourself. Bring it things where you're not supposed to bring that. Where or la media ne to come out all logo. All logo. Wa feko. Wa luenwa. Igona here no. Sumo. Anyhow you get it. Oga here no wabi la wobo. Good. Oma be la wobo. Gino e no ma e gabe here no. But all of you, now they run kitty, now they run kete, now won't reach there, 1,000 view, 1,000 view. If you know the beat person, you no go get 1,000 view. I remember when I started this live video, I used to get 1,000 view. Because why? They cost people that time. But later, I advised myself, why doing this? Why doing this? For how long will I continue? Not because of you, because they cost people. They will come to you. You will say they love you. They don't love you. They just want to see you insult other people. They just want to see you. They embarrass yourself. It makes them happy. Okay, now okay, nana. We are saga, we are when yes 1,000 views. And then one got them agbo. Umi 1,000 views. Emi agbo diki. Umana gbeni oma yone nu do tie boni rabije nu do be record 1,000 views. And then one got them in a lao. Okay, for how long are you going to? Now make you say many of them they cannot go back. They will keep insulting people that don't come to them. Even if you come to them now, small now you just tell them. They will never stop insulting people because they need that view. They need it. Oga emi no maya ata a view ire. Iyare. Saga is bad. My sister Rose talk show. Please follow this, my lady. Follow her. Saga is bad. Saga is bad. Saga is bad. It's not good. More will talk truth. Disgracing yourself, bringing your family down. On go again, ladia. Iyani buwaro. Like they go party. Fear they go to look here. Fear no go let them even go. Because they don't stop on many toes. They don't step on many toes. Give Mr. Okwesta no wadurena. Give Mr. Badge my page. Support my page. The time when they not they support una not they live life. Give Mr. Give me this one. Give me that one. Anything we enter where you come and Nigeria people is always different. Nigeria people is always different. Nigeria people is always different. Salobame wa miss call. So, Izzy or Lizzy, my dear, go and take good care of you. Take a break of this social media. How many of them you feel beats? I dey ask you. Even well, let be na me. Sorry, oh. Abe nu boy wo. Abe nu boy tu. Abe ni guati ma gbe aga. If your parent want no time me banner, e gba akwe banana we do reply me na. Single mother way dey Germany. Single mother by stupidity. See, everybody, real people know who is single mother by stupidity. Single mother by stupidity, not be all these mothers who know they care for their children. Not be somebody like me who love my children, who take my children first. Una know why not they follow una the craze for this social media. Now because of my children. Now because of my children, I make I know they follow una the craze for media. Because oh no where mom make him may where we may not be joke. Yes. Why be eti be dumo boyo? O salobo avie money me. O mana gbo eti be dumo boyo and the talker. E we no see ni na lelu wa me. Ima be wu wa no mono we wu wa ma we mi wa. But everybody got a day. Now my own, let me use the tell now so. So go and take care of yourself, my darling. I have nothing against you. Nothing against you. Take a step back. All of you are our Edo sister. All of you will be our Edo sister. I make a nana green and I settle. I have a go. E kenina be gboebe na akwa ewa be wenye si vita. O ma na de akwa e hia na be wenye si no ma be gbadawo. A vita. Den na mmebu we kado tie boni ashawo, u kado tie uwe kworo, u kado we eboni ge iyeke speaker ana we. Ige boni go le sugar daddy ga no bia no ma ewe bo we doni industry ni ya. Bia ya no giro ya yeke azaza we. Emi ne bo na te wa we na. I walk bole boy na amwebogbe every day amwebogbe. But we na kadoti okoni we na kadoti ebone give me na do lele boy ni gwe mi no we na. I cannot. Because this is your karma. This is your karma. And this is another thing I want to tell you. Not only is your karma, anybody that is ready to join social media. You know, say join social media of different level. You want to get 1,000 view. Check everybody where they get 1,000 view. Just check all of them. All of their stories on social media. There must be a sacrifice you must give for it. If you want to earn 1,000 view on social media, now so you go to step on people's toes. And your secret and everything is no more safe. It must fall out. It must fall out. There's no two ways about it. That is the price you need to pay to get 1,000 plus. Without no pay. Me, I never pay my own. I never pay now for all this one. I make an answer and say, I don't know what I set banner. Hey, yeah, we come and see what this girl do. You must pay to get there. If you don't pay, you not go figure now your own come and they come so. Hey, worry. When I mean we are a baby live video presenter. When I swear a top of even is so we are like bina, maybe you were Ariana. A problem here. And we must see my woo. There are people where be say they not only just they talk for Facebook. Oh. After they don't talk, they go to find your information, they go. They go to call people where know you. They use money, won't buy your own past life. Our me man or what the live video now they go enter us. There are people after this life, they are looking for your information. They want to buy your information to come and give it out. Why they use money to look for it? They are still making money, oh, because they say that money, they get money. They will use money to buy your information. They will still use it to make money. You got to be smart. So you know where you are coming to. When you said, I want to belong to social media, be ready to fight. It's not easy. It's not easy. They go drag your children if you have one. If you're not born, they go call you a guy. If you get sickness for body, they go use that and mock you. If your mama and your papa don't feel be this, that, they go bring it to a book. So to those of now where they say, why are you mocking somebody with sickness? It's part of saga. To those of now where they say, when I know they come speaking again, it's part of saga. To those of now where they say, why not they put parents, Ija, na part of saga. On any saga nata, and I wait till una like. If they not give una those things, una not they watch. Assuming as I get a call on one plane, yeah, you know what they see, they not go, they go sit down, they go they watch, they go they listen. But when you don't have no record to play for them, All of them. I can't opa. We don't hear this one. You go. If they go where? If they look for where they play record, they go. That is why you see people keep betraying people on this social media. Nobody is safe. If they call you, they will record you. If you call them, they will record you. Because that is the only way they feel they can prove it to the people. And that is the only way to get people attention. Welcome to Facebook. Why is there do one day? When I when we use the where no blame we momo gbe mi ade Facebook na mo pa mate do tie me mo do atie bono ma no ma eke ni do atie bono no we ko lawa we be worry more information and coming. That is Facebook. Hi sweetie, pretty. Oh, Jeno, how are you, my love? How you doing now, mommy? How my girl? Hope you guys are fine. You understand? So more information about you are coming. So this is it for today. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. Have a good night. To those of you who always drop some nasty comments on people post, say, oh, I'm ashamed of you. Why are you not supporting your fellow woman? Use your head. Before you write something, think about it. That person, is she clean? Is that person clean? She never felt cause person. She never felt cause this guagua person on this social media. That's how we tell the judge, not verse. That's how we judge on this social media. So long that you have called somebody names before on this social media. If it happens to you, don't cry. Get in again. Yeah, my darling, you come late. I'm about to leave now. I'm so sorry. Thank you very much, Mama Rose. Thank you. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you too. Thank you, pretty, my love. I heart you big, okay? I bet try me, you call my WhatsApp, okay? Maybe tomorrow. It's late now. Tomorrow. You can call me, okay? Make I get your number again. I used to have it, but I don't know what I used to save it again. Please try to reach out to me. My phone no so now you'll be that one. I know I save it, but I can't remember. So many things on my head. So Izzy. Oh, good night. Oh, Goba, good night. Thank you very much. Izzy. You see all those people? They don't like you. Oh. Not be to get 1,000, they watch you. Oh. Yes, I'm back. Not be to get 2,000, oh, who like you. You see all those people, we know them, oh. We know the people follow us where they support you. And then why are you bokajiya? And then why wagbijiya? And then what tie bonijiya? Maenya. And then what tie bonijiya? Udagavi yana no wabe bobole lewena. Iya be de do tie bonu. No wena ware support esadijiya nana. Anything where who is right. This is what I don't like about Facebook. Now, this PDP and APC. PDP and APC election where they did this Facebook. Now, another thing when I don't like. The day where you know they support that area again. Hey, Mama, no problem. I don't talk my own. Thank you for the like and for the love. I don't have nothing to say. And nobody should change my words. Freely show, if you want to insult yourself, no problem, you can. I get body. I know the sick. So any insult you cause me, my body go fit take her. No problem. Who were single mother by stupidity? Who be single mother today, go marry tomorrow? Single mother does not mean that you are going to be single forever. You can be single today and get married, but don't rush. Take your time and find the right person. This is one thing I believe. Being a single mother is not a disease. It's not a crime. As a single mother, put your children first. Love your children. Respect them. This is one thing I believe. Look at our... Okay, let me not add that one. I'm coming to address that lady where they say... I don't know. They say a boyfriend. So I wanted to get my facts on that case before I will come out. I don't want your jump come out like that. Come talk her. So I still they investigate on my own to know what really happened. So we'll still address that matter. So Izzy, ciao. Now on a word with that one. I don't know Italian language. But they use your head. On this one, if anybody not support you, no fight or curse anybody. Because we can be giwe man in social media na. One mammy. Okay, no problem. Okay, we will talk. Okay, we will talk. We'll talk about it. We will talk about it, but I want to get it right before I come out. You understand? We can't do table no manege one mammy or megetia we be speaker. Ovije, I mean, and we better ni wo. Where we boni wa guakasi. Hey. Ona we boni wa guakasi again na Izzy na neto igbe na again na. Oga igie boni. Oga igie kiye kame manovio ki avi ki. Oga igie. Ogi kata. Oga igie bet e mana gbona ruda bunu na kwome. Keke we ne mana gbona be go ba. Iya ge e no kasu no we no de. Iya magwa bonye ni me na wo woka we me. Ayete na tana na ti today. Ebony my video la dia no edogu egwan no edota we no rewe bo we kworo no o my view no na your camera don already they meet you. Don't they meet you? Some of una too so na get mad. People just they keep una quiet. You know me so una get mad. People going there to watch your stupidity does not mean you have people that truly loves you. So use your head. We are on social media. Use your money. They use the money. Not they kill yourself again because of view and star. Wa feku here no. Igo na here no. Here are you. You understand? You get Facebook in my area, my live your life. Or I come worse to worse. Ya go le winner. Remember say wa we say we do. Okay, we are waking up back before the weeks run out or weekend. I will come on live again. But if anybody where they zuzu decide to come talk to me. If I like, I respond. If I don't like, I just let it go like that because I have no issues with you, girl. I really don't have issues with you. But I just don't like your way. I do not like your way. When I look at you, I see too much hate on you. When I look at you, I see somebody that wants to drag his own fellow human being down. Because of, I don't know. So, wala wo wa gioma no salobwa push yo da wa giajo. Whatever says with a life for one, if God want to take somebody to the next level, one another they spoil their name. Although spoiling of name is part of life. If you know they make up for life, people not go spoil your name because they know, like I said, they know they see you. That one is part of life. But at least let them be. A social media now so. Time when we if you talk at one time, just one time, you rest. Not be all the time. You put your fellow you might be. You put that for art. You put that for my just the killer. They go the killer. Area. I work more radio. Anybody no you will never only any tenegbe. All said women I teach you nana. Then when a boni vika kivi when a start up by you we move you nana. Who we are Jerea shevu we. The way that one when a boni vi when a dog by you. We magi jere we work binana even work binana yagi like yak be a bolo. We man then by imagine jo we no na no me tebe easy e webo umani di no tebe use a shave sticky as shave. All you need is a cream. Hey, I really talk as I go show you. Where is that cream? Baby girl. Umani di no ye Nigeria. See if you rub this thing for your toto, just rub back 5 minutes, it go uproot all that jagmajestic way there. 5 minutes is even too much. When you first get and if you use that for the first, second time, it's still there very active. Maybe when you don't use that like third time, if you can't wait for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, if you just new opener, the thing will just delete all the way there. Because when I don't know when you na omagi you when I jere yak betue, I give shave stick. Now girl we not know what's up. Now they use shave stick. Now this kind of thing that they use to the shaver. You go your rub by, if you rub by, go come out all the air where they say your makeups. And not only they come out air, it they clean toto, it they cleaner, it they clean toto, really. So you use this to come out it. I just did talk my Not be saga, na friendly and sisterly advice. I be my sister. Thank you, my baby girl. Thank you very much. I love you more. Okay, my sweetheart. Thank you. So this thing, if you use that rubber for your knuckles and your armpits, it go root everything out. You don't even need no shaving stick. You don't need to go buy tickets, go Nigeria, go the shaver. Now just if you don't want, see, baby girl, no mame na babe tagawari orezo sagai. Wamana mo evitali. I dwele Germany obu. I post igwe. Egbo ma video ni mehi. Era €1 something no. The city ma. Ima about the city when you go near yakin €1 something no. Almost €2. Ye wa dollar. If you go via your wa. Kosu beso bana when egbe be sasi so. Iya ti a shevo toto. We are what bonona yo or wa root everything. Emma dege na guishi ba do guishi nana. Ebi na ni no worry boy ni odo tana. I'm tasting. Ebi na ni a boy ni be no keri ye ko ma mi no ya time we easy. Ebi no see ni mana gba kan you we. Ebi no see ni mana lalu we. E to raro. Awuga ke boy ni una gunu e boy no wa lalu e wa no. Any boy no ya wa be no wa ke mana be se mana. U ba ya e boy no gba kan you we. O gele de the boy. E boy ti wa o no ti a lalu e. Nu na shave o se ni the boy mana lalu e. E mama. E boy ni isu bia no gba kan you we no. O bia no gba kan you e boy ni ki. E boy ni so obvious we dey I'm not back on you, no. I understand. Udege, it's what be not back on you, boy, Nikki. So la go je, la, in case ima no ma be do la dia do accomplish we. Wala wa do ka be get na no gbetu we. Imagine because be na iwa mi na be webo. Why gui o wala o why gui? It be an agreement webo 75%. Iya ya ne laluwe ero alalu ye wala. When you are in the no more say we what destroy yo. We are see. I mean e laluwe be na. So obiere te onoti alalo. Umagbetuwe. Yeah, this is the medicine. We are what be criminal when I bear you way. Get no. Tony yawa law all fresh. Our clean. Oh, yeah, was wawa. How do you know, Lele? Hey, salo boy. Wala o. Mero wodo. Wagimame tell me like where the word of Izzy. Why when I jumeji? Understand? Remember that ya boy emekiawe te mogi logo na guanji. Who attack the bunny away she too spoil. Which one be she too spoil? If you know the talker, if you they door yourself, not everybody they door themselves. You not get anything to do with spoil, yeah. So my sister, they clean your toto, clean and where they use this cream till they shave. When you shave with this, because 75% of men in Europe, they like to suck and lick knuckles. So because you don't rub this cream, that is why the man was angry. So please, my darling sister, next time, clear your so that's how it be. That is it. Understanding. Agwiyo, no problem. Why is it way? Do that why me boni zetu when I can buff over here. Walao. Not to tag banana the way. Oh, are you fighting? I'm not fighting for Ebony. No. But she is my Edo sister. Just like Lizzie. Izzy is also our Edo sister. Every other person that this issue concern, they are our Edo sister. But the truth has to be said. If this issue say na Ebony na it happen to, hey, on Facebook area, he go block. He go block. They go they laugh. They go they happy. Waka o via donu zomo. I will say oh very iguata o magwata wa be mieme wala wa gui wa we manesi go modern association. O me ma be ya tell my gbeso. You understand? Yes so ni ma ta bana okunoro wo do wa ya gemu e yunuta egbe mana e marry ne ma ga dole me yi ta save nu. Ma dole me ta yi nu. So for now ne odomana ere will talk and see be waya we see iwedo gbeso benebe webu edodo alogo na ze oyedo ki ogbe anabirin adeso gbe bani egwa precisely. I was born and brought up there. So sometimes I benebe webu gbeso obido afioma, especially Dutch is very difficult to learn. Gbeso odo afioma edo weri, but we are still fighting to speak the language, you know. So please, my people, I love you guys. I want you guys, to those of you is also growing up, watching me right now, please take life easy. Don't be too rushed. Don't be faster than your shadow. I hope some of you see what happened a couple of weeks ago. Hey, that my sister, I go send a special, if I call her, I don't know how it will be. I would like to give her a special message. A Facebook in your mama was sometimes there's some certain things you don't do so that you not end up embarrassing yourself. Walao, why kwa we kere na do disgrace bomber the social media na. I call. But if you have once bullied your fellow woman, it's gonna come to you. And when it comes to you, don't cry. It's a law of karma. That is what we call karma. And I beg Mona they shave to toe. They shave to toe. They shave to toe. Make ma for the fidel. So now only ma where they now we two still there. Now see this our not be for fashion. No. If you know the where they mere. So if you want to get, you see, now so it be. I will say oh it be me. Me wa make do na yari sort kakabo case una o nuve to tie bom do boeviro they used to any wa ge igiri live video e ma ni bu ino mommy JJ working where you will live video na we ile o aba kakagba no nya bo ya bugbe teme e na we ni le. So why I will say oh my sister I love you but rest for the matter. The tutor be like you. God day. Now you don't make careful for this your comments. I love you too, but my darling, I just have to say it. We know say the Toto not be my own. One Toto, now everybody Toto. You understand? If you embarrass one woman, you have touched every woman. The Toto will not be my own. But when you embarrass one woman, you have touched every woman. But in this case, where be say that woman don't first fuck up. Now make you see and say, I'm not gonna talk. Normally, if you touch one woman, you have touched every woman. Because there is no woman. You see that Toto, now small, now it will be different, small. You see that, oh, that look. We all get almost one the same, you know, vagina. But the thing is, if you, as a woman, you don't first beat somebody before, can't describe how somebody to be. That is where the problem is lying. So now what it make me not fit talk? Don't be lying now. That to be easy or your own. Now our own Toto na easy get that to rest. Mo will not argue that one. But however, I hope she understood this message. I hope she's just going to be calm and take herself inside and forget about this whole issue. This is all I have to say. Because if you touch one woman, you touch her. But on a condition that you as a woman not go disgwangwa another woman. Because if you disgwangwa another woman to and you think say your own go dey safe for you, lie. Where you embarrass another woman and then you embarrass yourself. The day you call for another woman to put her down, you said don't they call for your own downfall. That's so life be. So now so it be. So I'm not here to answer your questions. God, you are just coming now. I'm not here to answer your questions. When you go to other platform, you can ask them. I've given my message, and thank you very much for those of you show me love and like. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you, and see you some other day. Have a good night. Have a blessed night. Bye-bye. I love you all. Now, bye. So no to make a easy or go back because you have been here. You are a great person. Oh, go back, may I tell you, you not get any to way, not get air. We only they shave it. Although some people they will be say they don't like shaving. They are allergic to it. There are some people when they shave, they get crow. If they shave, then they get crow. So when you try to shave with a shaving stick and crow then you use a cream shaver with the cream. Maybe it will be better. Because as an adult, Mama, good evening, oh, Mommy, Jesse Williams, I greet you, Mommy. Koje, I greet you. A mom what is here with door? I greet you, Mama. Koje. You know, saying as a woman, especially summer, woman where don't they meet man. If you not on the shave, the heat it will dey too much. Although I really know some people are allergic to it, because of that rashes where they come. That make because if the tea pull reach down, some people the rashes go come out from their body. That make they know they want shave. So my darling sister, what I would just advise you, try a different method. Use the cream. If not still the same thing, then try to see a doctor and ask your doctor what you can use. Okay, we thank God. What you can use. So now your ability, because not be every man will come your life go understand. Some men, they will not understand though. Some men will not understand. Some men can rotate woman. Some men, ordinary small odor, now turn off for them. Where say genogi, where say ordinary small odor, now turn off for them. Now say still be where will be women. Oh, when I know say some men, they not the like shave their armpits. Excuse me, guys, my quick view my daughter. That sleep, don't take her. Oh, they tell you, oh, I don't know what you wake up. Now, so some of us will be women still there. When I don't say we will be women too. Many men, they will be saying they know they like to shave their armpits, they know they shave their bola. Me, I know if people my way know they shave bola penis for mat. I not be traditional woman. I'm very crazy when it comes to me and my man. I cannot do that. So that's also men be. Maybe that man a guy where they do everything. And you know they shave. You go get problem with her. Mama, thank you very much. He me have manage then he care arema. Me have baba. Me no a comment no man here you say na yerema. You understand? So that is just the thing. So not be every man. Now jealousy hate they make them no they remember to have shaved their toto. You don't talk, it's the truth. And I get when I get a body na temata again ni get easy ni or lazy. A jealousy no reg big girl ni no ra way. Yeah, they get woman degi here. Only why problem. She know they know say person they notice her jealousy is too much. Sweetheart, you need to change. You need to change. It's too obvious. The jealousy is too obvious. Even wawe boniye. Osaloba no forgive wow. Then why I stop over here when I your boy when I hear you to do. When I hear you to do. Osaloba no forgive wa. I don't matter the room bring when I you talk. It do ago on e can me na mi go. Osaloba no forgive wow. They osaloba they ye we osaloba destiny anyway ovoko kona wa. Yeti on agbongiwe. Ona the yet to another level. Who na now? Asabane again you no ijebe de na. No ke try no ahia. Igboe o my Izzy ne. Nu wa ya your boy o to. Osaloba na aside ona aside this thing. You understand? Osaloba na aside prayer. So my darling, Erio, wala wo. Mo let love dey in between us. Muna allow love dey in between us. Everything is not all about I want to be no, I want to be no. I want to be no, I want to be no is not everything in life. You because of Facebook view and money can't destroy your whole fellow human being. You can't spoil your whole fellow human being. Una autism na name una dey spoil, una dey destroy our own career. Erio, what change? What change? I came in on temata mama. Wagbewa me. Yeah, wait, baby, the only one like, but the truth, because I have been looking for a answer for this question that I'm about to ask. What question are you about to ask? You understand? So this is it. Wala wo. Wala, we are one human being. We be a do, we be Bini. Please, this thing that you guys are doing to yourself is not good. Me, I am not in support of anybody spoiling anything when it comes to Bini actress and actors. He support even like on say, but watobuwa wabe kire mieso. Because when I say they use now until they bring on self come out for the social media. My dear, quickly ask your question, make I come out. I need to go and sleep. Please quickly do it. Ask your question. If not the one I will answer. If I not answer, I will tell you say good night. Oh, what's your question? What's your question? Put it on quickly. So area mat bonage, eh? So when say mama bo be woman I have here. Ige when I can, I know when I guya. Why you be say children with their mother break on you? They know they get my dear. You see this question that you ask. Everybody will be asking same question. No answer. Because you know why? To me, they feel that life is easy. They don't suffer come Europe. They don't know what to be life. You understand? They don't suffer come this Europe. They don't suffer. Imagine a girl who don't go straight, go pay madam, do all those things. Or girl with the hustle for himself. You go know what life be. A lot of people with their mother bring come. Maybe na shower money where they take bring the come or money where they take bring the come. You know, say some guys they will say that they go give madam money, say that they swear put. Imagine madam can go use that money to carry a pikin come. Agbano no money you boys your logo. Eguyo. Imawa agboya. Only madam not treat a guest bad. On one night your boy you go. Oh yeah, like bigger social media now where like this social media money. Like this social media money now we be say many of them won't use do or die take collect, disgracing themselves and their family. Tell me what better way they go use the money to do. Then Ashawo can also give you money, can swear, put on a boviere by who do you go yamwe or more in Nigeria, where the way like Bogbano monologo. All logo. So now I saw a bill. If you ask me, now who I'm going to ask. Exactly, Mama. Many when I don't see, they are all same. I'm telling you, all of them. I'm not bad evil. All of them with their mama they bring, they can have few good for inside though. Few. Many of them. No. I don't know, my darling. I don't know. I just hope that one day things is going to get better. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Mama, I appreciate you for coming, for passing by. USAG, Mommy Jessie Williams. Thank you. Ogomba, Wese, for your time. Purity, my lover. Pretty, my lover, not Purity, sorry. Pretty, my lover. Thank you very much, sweetie. Thank you. Our next live video is going to be of that woman. I also don't hear one woman where they say they key for Offenburg. But I need to ask questions before I also come talk about my own. I don't want maybe say, come be like, say person will call the lie against person where they innocent. Because if we look at IB for social media, it seems like a lot of people have still not say the truth. But me, I'm not actually coming out because of only that lady. I just want to also bring out some words. Use that woman as an example also for some people. But that one I'll talk of that day. I love you. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Bye.